I always had a thing for unique vehicles. This definitely qualifies as a unique vehicle. I'm in love with this thing. Remember the Toyota Previa? A lot of people couldn't stand those things. Thought it looked like a jelly bean, a spaceship, stuff like that. Well, this is technically a Previa, but it's a little bit different. Yep, you're seeing it correctly. It's right-hand drive. Kind of neat. If you look, oops, sorry about that. You'll see, here's the shifter over here on the left-hand side, and the parental display goes backwards because you obviously shift it down, like so. The turn signal's on this side. I already drove this thing, and let me tell you, this is the wipers over here. I kept turning the wipers on while I was driving it. If any of you don't know about this vehicle, the engine is under there. This is a mid-engine vehicle, mid-engine minivan. It's pretty cool. So let's go to the outside and let's take a look. So there we go. Yeah, it's got a couple of dings and scratches on it, but then again, it's a 94, so it's an older vehicle. It doesn't have a ton of miles on it. I like the headlights because in the U.S., the Previa didn't have these headlights. But yeah, it's a very unique vehicle. And there's a couple of other interesting things about it. Let me put this up in the air so you can see it. Oh yeah, there it's, you can see she's a mail carrier, rural delivery. And if you look, the name of this is a Lucida Estima, or Estima Lucida. I called the parts store to ask for parts, and they were like, what? They had no clue. But I'm going to show you something that this vehicle has that wasn't even offered as an option here in the United States. Let me put it up in the air. Let's go on an undercarriage tour. I want to show you this thing. Now these things are actually rear-wheel drive vehicles. Drum brakes in the rear. But check that out. It's got a transfer case. This thing's all-wheel drive. Check this out. There's the drive shaft for the front. Comes up to the front differential. Okay. All right, so there's that drive shaft. But wait, what the heck is this? It's another drive shaft. What the heck is that for? Well, your motor's back there. Yeah, there's your thermostat housing. There's your oil filter. Your motor's back there, but all your belts and your accessories are all the way up here. They're driven off of this drive shaft, which connects to the crankshaft. Kind of neat, actually. So the alternator's up there, the AC compressor's up there, power steering pump is up there. Excuse me. So what am I doing to this? I am actually doing a tune-up. Check this out. Bet you've never seen a Toyota motor like this before. It's almost a flat motor, like a Subaru, except it's got all the cylinders on one side. Although I think, I'm not even sure how they do this. Yeah, no, the block is different. I was almost thinking it was a Camry motor laid on its side. But the block is different because they put the oil pan on the side of it. And check that out, it's almost reminiscent of a Porsche, the way the Porsche would do things. So kind of like a Subaru Porsche mix match here, but pretty neat. Got a factory header, look at that. That's actually a pretty cool header. But yep, I'm going to be changing the distributor cap, rotor, wires, plugs. I got to do brakes, I got to do rear shocks. Yeah. Now this customer apparently had this thing imported from these people. They sell JDM. Pretty neat though. I'm digging this. So I'm not going to make a video on doing the brakes and the tune-up and stuff like that. It's pretty simple stuff. The only thing to do the tune-up is obviously you got to put it up in the air or crawl underneath it. A little bit of a pain to get to plugs and stuff, but it's not that bad. I've done worse. But yeah, I just thought it was really neat. I thought you might want to see this. I tell you what, driving down the road in a right-hand drive vehicle is really odd. I mean, I've done it in the past, but I took this thing on a drive yesterday, and it's so odd because you naturally want to go close to the double yellow line or whatever. So, but anyway, thought you'd get a kick out of that. So if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.